We have a big bundle sale happening right now, so let's talk about everything you can get for free when you pick up one of these 7 tools. Bundle number 1. When you buy an Ultra Feed, either an LS or an LSZ, you'll get a free speed reduction upgrade. That's a $155 value, and it lets you slow your machine down even more. It's perfect for leather workers, beginners, or anyone who wants precise control and the ability to sew without power using the hand crank. Bundle number 2. When you buy a fabricator, either the standard or the deluxe version, you'll get both of my favorite accessories, the 1-inch swing away binder and the deluxe magnetic sewing guide, plus a whole assortment of notions like our fabric clips, leather clips, pins, and basting tape. If you dive into our kits and tutorials, you'll see these tools constantly, so you'll be working right alongside our DIY pros with the exact setup we use. Bundle number 3 is for the upholsterers. When you pick up either our long or short nose upholstery staple guns, your free item is the tack and staple remover. I think most people would agree with me that removing the old staples is the worst part of upholstery. So this tool lets you quickly go through that and get to the more fun stuff, like setting new staples. Bundle number 4. When you buy a foam saw, either the corded or the cordless version, it comes with a free foam shaper. You can kind of think of this like sandpaper for upholstery foam. I love the corded saw for its clean 90-degree cuts thanks to this base plate, and I like the cordless version for all of my precision and really detailed angled cuts. So choose the one that fits your needs best, or if you already have one, get the other one and complete the ultimate foam cutting duo. Bundle number 5. The Handy Press is the most versatile hand press out there because the adapters it comes with make it compatible with not only Sailrite dies, but dies from other popular brands as well. And there's just too many compatible dies out there, so we normally don't include any dies with the press until now. With this bundle, you get the Handy Press Snap Fastener die set, so you can start using this popular die right away. Bundle number 6. Maybe you already have all the tools you need right now, but you're ready for an idea for your next project. Well, this bundle gives you a free Sailrite ornament with the purchase of one of our DIY kits. And kits are a great way to really guarantee the success of a project, because our patterns are heavily tested and optimized for our machines and tools. Plus, every kit comes with a step-by-step tutorial video. You can think of those videos like a foam shaper to really smooth out the learning curve of a project. That's a reference for bundle number 4 if you're taking notes. Bundle number 7. The cordless hot knife is rounding out this list, pun intended, because when you buy one, you'll get a free precision cutting blade, which lets you cut and seal curves, corners, and angles on synthetic fabrics. It's my preferred hot knife foot because it doesn't require a special work surface like the standard foot does. This is a pretty major upgrade at no extra cost, thanks to this sale. Take advantage of these offers by adding one or more of the key items to your cart and using the code GIFTMAS, that's GIFTMAS. And then the corresponding free items will be automatically added to your order. This sale ends on January 6th, so don't wait. Shop now at Sailrite.com where you can DIY and save.